What's up, my fellow MMA super fans? My name is Nisi Kashan. Today we are joined by an athlete who needs no introduction to combat sports fans here in the Philippines. And finally, she would get her opportunity on the big stage.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's
Yes.
all welcome Marian Mariano. Marian, welcome to
Yeah.
the MMA super fan.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Finally,
Yeah, finally. Actually, yes, finally. Who would thought na sa hinaba-haba at sa edad kong ito, I would be given the opportunity, di ba? In a bigger arena.
yeah,
So, just
totoo.
bless, sir.
Oh, sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ewan ko kung kailan niyo mapapanood to, pero Marian would make her debut, promotional debut at One Friday Fights 83 in a strawweight MMA bout against Rio Norika of Japan.
Yeah,
Champ, napakatagal mong inintay to. Gano'ng kasarap sa
actually,
feeling na
yes.
gano'ng kasarap sa feeling na hindi, ito, baguhin na lang natin tanong. Did you dumating ka ba sa point na talagang binitawan mo na yung pangarap mo to be at this point of your career?
Actually, no, sir, eh. Kasi, nung bumalik ako sa sports, no, sabi ko, ito na lang yung parang wala sa checklist ko.
Hmm,
Actually, yung parang mag-MMA
totoo.
kasi parang nagawa ko ng ano. So, parang ang wala na lang sa checklist ko is MMA. So, nung nag-start ako sa local, that was
Ah,
a huge ano, kumbaga
hmm,
huge W din naman for me. But
hmm,
then sabi ko, I then after that one, akala ko hanggang doon lang yung gusto ko. But
hmm,
then suddenly inside of me, may perception na oh, gusto kong maranasan ng bigger
hmm,
arena internationally.
hmm, hmm,
So, with the
hmm,
prayer and yun nga holding on my prayer, di ba,
hmm,
who would thought, kasi sabi ko nga nung una, sabi ko Shemi, sa edad ko na to parang
hmm,
malabo na sa suka pa na ano
hmm,
eh.
hmm,
Pero
hmm,
yun nga, I'm just so thankful sa management ko ngayon and at the
hmm,
same time sa manager ko, kasi siya yung nagsabi nun na, kasi nung una niya akong in-approach, sabi niya is would you like, so sabi
hmm,
ko as much as I like, pero parang malabo kasi sa edad ko. Then
hmm,
sabi niya, no, 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 no. With your achievement, walang
oh,
imposible. So with
hmm,
that, parang nabuhayan uli ako
hmm,
ng pag-asa.
yeah,
Then in just after kong mag-sign ng contract, actually in just a few months, meron na. Meron
oh,
na agad siyang binigay sa akin.
hmm,
So yung unang binigay niya talaga is 105, which is para 115, which is sabi ko parang hindi ko kaya ba.
yeah, oh,
Parang hindi ko kaya kasi kaya ko man 'yan, pero ang short kasi ng time frame. So
yeah,
sabi ko, I'll just do my best na ano, I'll update you from this yung time frame
oh,
namin.
oh,
But then sabi niya may magandang
yeah,
opportunity and I think you would like it. So mas may magandang opportunity and I
oh,
think you would like it, sabi niya. And I think
oh.
it would suit
Hmm,
you.
hmm.
Yun yung
So,
pagkasabi niya. So
tsaka,
ito na yun.
tsaka, yun na, nasabi mo ngayon 115. Plus, you have to worry about, kasi nga, dahil sa one championship ka lalaban, you would worry about the hydration test.
Yun nga
So,
po.
it's two things din na dapat mong kailangan abalahin. Pero, ano
Yes.
ko lang, lagyan natin ng ano lang, ng kulay lang itong picture na gusto nating ipinta. Kasi, paano siya nabuo? Sino yung mga taong tumulong sa'yo to make this dream of yours into a reality?
Actually first is yung faith ko talaga and prayer.
Ah,
Yeah. Kasi actually I was parang na-test yung faith ko dito eh.
mm,
Kasi way back in
yeah,
2019 after ng SEA Games,
yeah,
there was an offer to me to play on one championship series sana para sa mga
yeah.
babae. Then
Mm.
suddenly biglang nagka-COVID,
Nag-pandemic.
so yes, nag-pandemic, so ligwak ganun.
Ah,
Then right then last year, biglang may nag-approach sa akin ulit, a new manager na nag-approach, would you
mm,
like? So sabi ko,
mm,
yes, I would like. But then, yun nga, actually may kwento pa yan eh.
mm,
Pinagdasal ko, nung nagkasakit yung daddy
mm,
ko,
mm,
parang trinade ko yan sa faith ko. Sabi ko, Lord, kahit kunin mo na, wag mo nang ibigay sa akin yung one championship. Basta buhayin mo yung tatay ko. Kasi talagang
mm,
50-50 na doon yung tatay ko
mm,
eh.
mm,
Then, yun nga, nawala yung one championship, yung one series, kasi nga
mm,
nagka-COVID nga. Tapos,
mm,
pero nabuhay naman yung tatay ko. Kasi sabi
mm,
ko,
mm,
mas grateful pa rin ako doon.
mm,
Then, nakala ko wala nang another chance and everything. Then,
mm,
biglang may nag-approach nga. So, yun, hanggang doon parang nung unang may nag-approach sa
Yeah.
akin na management, hindi masyadong nag-workout. So sabi ko
Mm.
baka wala na talaga. So
Mm.
nung may nag-approach uli sa
Yeah.
akin, in just parang 1 month lang, biglang may
Mm.
nag-approach uli sa akin na management. Yun yung parang wala akong faith na baka hindi parang test lang to sa
Mm.
akin. But then
Mm.
sabi ko baka hindi na to mag-prosper sir kasi
Yeah.
with my age. Then sabi niya
Ah.
sa akin, no, with your achievement, kaya natin yan, sabi niya.
Oh. Oh.
So right then pagkapirma ko, parang a month lang, biglang sabi niya, you have an opportunity and a good offer for you. So yun nga
Oh.
yung 115. Tapos
Mm.
nung biglang sa 115 sana, biglang mas may magandang offer which is sa 1 and sa
Oh.
125. So feeling ko hindi ka
Mm.
mahihirapan, yung tipong ganun.
Ah.
So yun yung parang naging kwento noon.
Pero mas pinaganda pa yung kwento dahil for sure your father would watch you fight on October 18.
Yeah, hopefully
Ah.
talaga mapanood ni Daddy. Kasi yun lang naman ang inaano ko na parang habang buhay pa si Daddy, makita niyang naglalaro yung anak
Yeah.
niya, international arena. Kasi mahilig si Daddy
Yeah.
manood ng mga ganito, yung mga contact sports. Mahilig
Ah.
siya.
It's
Oh,
always the
so
dad.
yeah. It's not naman, it's all, yung yun lang din yung parang nagpaganda nga, parang
Mm.
kumbaga nagkaroon ng twist ng dahil sa kanya.
Yeah.
Yung
Yeah.
journey ko na to sa MMA.
Marian, you have an impressive background. Nabanggit mo na kanina to. Wushu Sanda, Bokator, Combat Sambo. How has your experience in this disciplines, plural, help you shape your MMA game? And how do you plan to apply those skills in your debut fight on October 18th?
Maybe sir, yung experience ko na to with my backgrounds with the sports, no,
Mm.
yung confident, I think
Mm. Mm.
it helped me build my confidence when it comes to the arena.
Mm. Mm.
So for sure magaling at bata yung but then well I
Mm.
don't estimate the kid, but then
Mm.
feeling ko naman may experience wise doon yung
Mm.
matetest na may asim pa tong thunders na
Mm.
nasa harapan niya.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah. So I
Ang
think
ganda nun.
yung yun lang, yes, yung confident lang din nun na
Mm.
I can still pull the trigger with this
Mm.
kid. I
Mm.
think.
Mm. Marian, you've been successful, nabanggit nga natin kanina, you've been successful in traditional martial arts competition. How different is the mental and physical preparation for MMA compared to, let's say, preparing for Wushu, Bokator, and Combat Sambo?
I think yung challenge dito kasi in those disciplines, no, the rules is very madali lang siya. Madali lang
Mm.
siya, parang
Mm.
katulad niyan, hindi may mga bawal pero madali mo siyang
Mm.
aralin because knowing from my discipline,
Mm.
parang i-incorporate ko lang, but this kasi halo-halo na siya.
Ah.
So, medyo medyo parang medyo nakakalito siya in a
Mm.
way na parang, uy, tama ba yung, kaya sometimes may mga submission or may
Mm.
mga when in nasa ground na
Mm.
ako, ay,
Mm.
mali yung ginawa ko na yun, something
Ah.
mga ganun.
Mm.
Which is, yun naman yung kailangan kong aralin talaga. At saka knowing na yung background nga ng opponent ko is hindi naman
Mm.
basta-basta.
Mm.
So, I really try my best na
Mm.
i-incorporate lahat kasi hindi pwedeng sa striking lang talaga ako kasi she's a good grappler. Actually,
Mm.
she's a good grappler. So, yun yung labanan doon.
Mm. Marian, we touched on this sensitive topic kasi pag sinabing age, particularly in combat sports, medyo na siya frowned upon eh. But you're 36, you're making your debut in one championship. How do you feel about starting this new chapter at this point in your career?
Yun nga yung yun din yung parang I don't know, but I think yun din yung magiging attest ko na age is just a number.
Mm.
Yeah. As long as you listen to your body, of course, sometimes you should
Mm.
listen to your body. And as I listen
Mm.
to my body, dito matetest pa kung may asim pa nga po yung nasa
Mm.
harapan nyo.
Ah.
But kasi it's not enough na yung tough ng isip ko is,
Mm.
uy, kayang-kaya ko pa in everything. But,
Mm.
the age, the body,
Mm.
hindi
Mm.
physically and
Mm.
maybe mentally, ang tough ng mentally ko. But, with my physical body, doon din naman yung challenging doon. So, kaya I really try to work it hard para sa physically strength ko.
Mm.
Kasi syempre iba talaga yung galaw ng mga
Mm.
bata eh. Been there,
Ah.
been that. So,
Ah.
yun yung talagang challenge doon. So, I don't know how would I pull the trigger, but I'll
Ah.
do my best or what it takes
Ah.
para kahit paano naman is, wow, masabing, hot
Mm.
mama pa rin yung naglalaro sa harapan nila during that fight.
Ito, yung nabanggit mo kanina, it's all about, sa mental aspect eh. Pero what motivates you to compete? To keep competing at such a high level tas ganyan yung edad mo?
Actually, yung family ko. Actually,
Mm,
and the people around me, yung mga loved
mm,
ones ko. Kasi,
mm,
may times na syempre, meron tayong eme-eme minsan, uy,
ah,
kapagod ako, ganyan. But then, yung moral support lang talaga nila.
ah,
Very silent sila. But
ah,
then, the prayer, when
ah,
you talk to them, talagang
mm,
open kwan silang tanggapin ko.
mm,
So, I think my core right now is my loved ones. And
mm,
syempre, yung very supportive team ko and friends actually. So parang with that parang oy it adds the core to push
mm,
pa. And
mm,
yun nga i-try pa. Isubukan
mm,
pa in a bigger stage. At the same
mm,
time sabi ko nga this is a one in a lifetime on
mm,
my part. Ayaw kong sayangin. Kasi ito na lang
mm,
yung kumbaga kulang sa checklist ko rin eh.
ah,
Internationally. Oh,
ah,
we don't know. Baka pagdating pala dito, kaya
yeah,
pang, di ba? With a good
ah,
track, we don't know.
Kasi if with a good track record, ang nag-iintay sa'yo is a $100,000 contract and a spot on the main roster and napakaganda ng strawweight division ng One Championship. Ang nagre-reign na doon ay si Xiong Jingnan and it's siguro
Yes.
yun yung dream matchup for you. Well, mabalik tayo sa sa upcoming assignment mo against Ryu Norika. Undefeated din, 2-0,
Yes.
but ito yung
Yes.
caveat. She hasn't fought in 2 years. How do you prepare for an opponent who is younger, but she has also, galing siya sa she's coming off a long layoff.
I think yung pagka-long layoff niya, it's a hungry lion. So never
Mm,
underestimate yung mga
mm,
nagbabalik. Kasi gutom na
mm,
gutom yan eh. Unlike
mm,
yun na stable ka, parang
ah,
there's nothing new. Pero sa kanila talagang gutom na gutom yung mga yan.
mm,
So I would not
mm,
underestimate my opponent. Kasi
mm.
aside from being young, alam kong uhaw na uhaw yan eh.
Pero tingin mo
So
advantage din sa'yo yung momentum kasi consistent ka not just in MMA pero sa ibang discipline din.
yes, yes, sir. I think so. Pero I think naman yung kumbaga, leeway niya for 2 years is, I think, hindi lang siya naging active in competing, pero
Mm,
alam ko naman continuous training pa rin siya.
mm,
So I don't
mm,
think na hindi, talagang nag-lay off siya. So
mm,
I think she's in a good shape and yun nga,
mm.
mas hunger pa way back when she stopped to compete in a stage.
Marian, you're 'di ba? You're from Tuba Benguet, right?
Uh,
Tama ba?
uh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Pinanganak ako
Tapos
sa Tuba Benguet, but
mm,
my parents' origination was in
mm,
Mountain Province, Bauco.
yeah, pero syempre Cordillera pa rin home to
Yes, yes.
Many Filipino MMA world champions. Do you feel extra pressure or sabihin natin pride representing your region? Now na nandun ka nasa pintuan ka na ng one championship.
Nothing at all. Actually, I'm just happy and glad to be part of the league. At the
Mm,
same time, yung mapasama sa kanila, but no pressure at all.
mm,
Masaya lang din talaga ako. Uy, mapasama din ako sa one katulad nila.
mm,
Yeah.
ah,
So, for the word pressure, not at all.
mahimay natin yun. How has your upbringing in the mountains shape yung signature Cordilleran fighting spirit?
Siguro yung lagari namin talaga kasi I really not to
Mm.
pero
Not to
nakikita
brag.
syempre it's not only not to brag pero yung parang to give
Mm.
how would I say it, but yung syempre galing ako sa taas and pag
Mm.
bumaba ako dito yung style ng training, yung
Mm.
style ng discipline ng training, pag training talaga doon at
Mm.
talagang
Mm.
buhos lagarihan,
Mm.
unlike dito
Ah,
medyo pitsu-pitsu pa yung parang may
ah,
baby portion
ah,
pa eh.
ah.
Unlike pag mga Cordilleras, kapag sinabing training na yan eh.
Mm. Mm.
Wala nang hanggat hindi sinasabi ni coach na hindi pa tapos, talagang kailangan
Ah,
active ka eh.
ah,
Dito is,
ah,
minsan medyo mahina pa yung, kumbaga kailangan mo
ah,
pang tapikin yung mga
ah,
bata and something like that. But
ah.
nonetheless, syempre, this is a sport, so
Mm.
kanya-kanya sigurong din yan. Because somehow, katulad ko,
Mm.
I started already to
Mm.
coach.
Yeah.
Hindi naman lahat ganun. Hindi naman lahat ganun. But commonly yan yung observation ko talaga,
Mm.
sir.
Ah,
Pagdating ng Cordillerans, iba sila lumagari pag sinabi mong
mm.
training talaga.
Yeah.
The discipline is really there.
Mm. Marian, without revealing too much, mabalik tayo sa laban mo. What do you believe are Rio Norica's strengths and how do you plan to neutralize them?
Grappling. her
Mm.
grappling, her ground. Yun.
Mm.
So, I'm trying really na i-work out yan since from the beginning talaga.
Mm.
So, I hope yun
Mm.
lang, ma-stabilize ko lang na ma-stop ko lahat ng takedown niya. Then, from there, I'll do on my part naman where is my strength
Mm.
din naman.
Mm.
Yan. So, yun lang naman ang kailangan ko talagang iwasan, yung sa ground niya.
Ikaw ba nagkaroon ka ng, kunyari, sabihin natin significant or sabihin natin certain adjustments na ginawa mo in your training camp just to prepare specifically for an opponent like Rio Norica who has a different style. Tsaka nabanggit mo na nga kanina, may sort of an advantage in terms of age.
Actually, none. Kasi sabi ko nga,
Mm.
very blessed ako to have this one. At the same time, uh, parang I just want to enjoy this momentum that I have right now. Yun lang, ay
Mm.
gusto kong i-enjoy yung momentum. At the
Mm.
same time, it's not new rin naman sa akin na
Mm.
nakikipaglaro sa ground.
Yeah,
Remember, if
yeah,
I remember, I fought in ADCC with the world champion in
yeah,
the
yeah.
championship, which is Annie
Mm.
Ramirez.
Mm.
At
Mm.
the same time, I also fought in
Mm.
wrestling
Mm.
nung last 2022 sa Cambodia with the national kasama ko representing the national team ng wrestling natin. So parang konting ano lang din naman talaga, polishing and
Mm.
everything. Though I'm not really good in
Ah,
ground games, but
ah.
hopefully yung mga na-acquire kong mga knowledge and discipline with them, with my coaches
Mm.
and with those kind of sports,
Mm.
somehow ma-impose ko siya to stop the ground game of the young kid.
Yeah. What lessons or sabihin natin experiences from your previous fights, whether it's MMA, Bokator, or Wushu Sanda, do you think will give you an edge in this upcoming bout?
Ah, I think there's those no age siguro. Yun lang din siguro yung kwan ko na medyo mas matagal akong naglaro.
Hmm.
Pero I don't, siguro yun lang yung advantage and yun nga yung
Hmm.
confident ko. But
Hmm.
nonetheless, I don't think wala akong makitang ano. Kasi remember in our sports, no, uh, in just a few months, kaya
Hmm.
mapapolish mo ng striking mo.
Ah.
And sa kanya, growing up na grappler siya. So, I think I have no
Hmm.
really that kind of
Yeah.
advantage when it comes to that. Pero siguro yung confident and the experience, yun lang siguro po.
Marian competing in multiple martial arts, diba? Bokator, Wushu Sanda, Combat Sambo, MMA. Sa akin, it's a sight to behold eh. Hindi lahat kayang gawin yon. Pero how do you balance training for different martial arts, especially these sports have different kind of demands.
Siguro dedication, sir.
Mm.
Dedication. Once I put myself in this one, or once I commit myself in a
Mm.
kind of sport or in a certain things, I put my dedication. Kasi parang yun yung ano ko palabra de honor ko.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, that's it. So just like, actually, it's kind of medyo challenging siya kasi
Mm.
aside from yun nga yung nag-iensayo ko, I'm also
Mm.
part of the fighting jiu-jitsu, which is I teach also during Sunday. Nagkaklase pa ako, nagmamaster pa ako dyan sa
Mm.
Baguio. So after a rigid training here in Manila for the weekend, umaakyat ako ng gabi ng Friday and I attend my class on Sunday. Then I go back in the evening in Manila to train naman yung fighting jiu-jitsu natin in
Mm.
Sunday. So medyo it's kind of challenging, pero it is what it is kasi nga it's yun
Mm.
yung pattern na I
Mm.
choose. At the same time,
Mm.
wala naman nagpilit sa akin.
Uh,
So yun lang naman yung dedication and yung paghawak ko sa commitment ko na yun. So it's
I
quite
feel so flattered
challenging.
right now
Yeah.
because iniisa-isa mo yung schedule mo tapos napagbigyan mo pa akong mapagbigyan mo pa ako sa interview nito. Medyo
Eh,
parang
hindi naman sir.
I feel so special. Marian, alam ko ang focus is to win the fight on
Yes.
October 18. Pero ano ang plano in the future? What are your goals for your MMA career moving forward? Kasi ang dami mong ginagawa eh. If you get this win, will you now, kasi nasa one Friday fights ka na. I know it's just, yun, alam mo, it's just the entry level entering the main roster of one championship. Pero if you get the win ba, you would now put your, sabihin natin, 80 or 90% focus on your MMA career?
definitely same pa rin. Nothing would change, of course. Nothing
Mm.
would change. Kasi nga sabi ko, I have already my commitment. But
Mm.
then siguro yung ano lang, yung time lang siguro. Time lang siguro medyo mag-advance, change. But nonetheless, nothing would change, of course, because as I
Mm.
said, medyo tiring nga yung
Yeah.
schedule or what I'm
Yeah.
doing. But as long as I'm loving it and
Mm.
yun nga siguro din
Yeah.
yung sinasabi nila na what's on your shirt, the passion on the
Yeah.
sports, on the
Yeah.
thing that you're doing.
Yeah.
So parang, and with the support, with the strong support of my loved ones.
Yeah.
So what could I ask for, di ba?
Yeah. Marian, mabanggit na rin natin kasi medyo iba na eh. Yung development of MMA eh. Hindi na siya lang sa Cordillera, buong Pilipinas na. Pero
Yeah.
so from your point of view, how do you see the development of MMA in the Philippines, especially for women? And what role do you hope to play in its growth?
Sana makatulong. Actually, I'm very happy na lumalawak na within the
Mm.
Philippines talaga.
Mm.
Kasi at least with that, at yung competition level na ano
Yeah.
is the aspiring young ones, yung nagkakaroon sila ng hope, hindi lang yung parang sa Cordilleran lang, tapos they need to travel to
Yeah.
Cordillera
Yeah.
to be part of the ano. At least kung scattered na and they have the chance, at least yung
Yeah.
ano nila na, yung mga burdens ba, 'di ba?
Mm.
So, and the motivation would be more higher up. So, something ganun. At I think
Yeah.
I'm so happy actually, I'm really happy na gumaganda yung expansion ng
Mm.
MMA in our country. At the same time, for the woman, I hope makatulong akong
Yeah.
hatakin yung mga babae nating
Mm.
athletes, aspirants,
Mm.
no, to fight in the world of MMA.
Yeah.
Maka-add
Correct.
ako sa mga nanguna sa akin na mga
Yeah.
younger youngs
Correct.
na nasa MMA world na, most
Oh.
especially in one.
Oh. Yeah. What advice would you give the young Filipino women, the Filipinas, particularly those from the Cordilleras who aspire to pursue a career in combat sports like MMA?
Ayun, it takes times talaga. It takes
Mm.
time to be a world champion. Nothing is shortcut.
Mm.
Hindi pwedeng
Mm.
gusto mo lang maging world champion ngayon and after the following day or after a month is champion ka, no? It's not. Remember, kahit na sa sports ang discipline, it will takes a decade for you to be a
Mm.
world champion or a
Mm.
champion or to be
Mm.
an elite one. Hindi
Mm.
siya yung isang pagkatapos ng isang gabi. No, it
Mm.
doesn't go
Oh.
that way.
Mm.
Talagang it will takes a
Oh.
years and
Oh.
decades
Oh.
to be on there at saka to maintain it.
Yeah.
Remember, meron tayong kumbaga ito na lang din yung akin, no? Let's
Yeah.
learn from the past, yung mga mistakes ng mga nauna
Oh.
sa atin na magagaling.
Yeah.
Then let's take the good thing and leave
Yeah.
the bad ones. So when you're there, kung nandito ka na sa taas na yan, the challenge there is how would you maintain?
Yeah.
Kasi mostly pag nasa top ka, you lose yourself eh. So,
Yeah.
yun yung challenge doon. When you're in the top, yun yung doon pa lang nagsisimula, how would you maintain to be on the top?
Mm. Mm.
So, syempre, you really need a faith. Yung faith mo,
Mm.
napaka-importante doon.
Yeah.
And with a strong background of your family and loved ones. So,
Yeah.
yun naman po yun talaga doon. I'm just really thankful na from the beginning where I start my career, hanggang ngayon, hanggang sa edad ko na yon, nandito pa rin yung pamilya ko at mga iba
Bata
pang
pa
mga
yan,
kaibigan ko.
36. Well, Marian, before we let you go, what message do
Yes,
you
sir.
have for your fans in the Philippines, especially those from the Cordillera region, as you prepare for this high stakes bout on October 18?
Yeah, sa aking mga kababayan, no, mas lalo sa mga aspiring young ones, suportahan niyo po ako at ang mga iba pang atleta na lumalaban para sa ating bayan at sa kanilang mga pangarap, no? Kasi napakahalaga nun at malaking tulong yun para sa amin with your support
Yeah.
talaga. Uh, uh, Whether it's good or bad, at least support pa rin yan because
Yeah.
even if it's a bad one, that would trigger us to keep
Yeah.
moving and to prove you're wrong. But then if that's a good one, then thank you very much. Pero let's
Yeah.
help each other. Let's push each other up. Then yun nga, sport is life for a youngsters na mga kagaya natin. So, what could I say? Mas lalo sa ating mga Cordillerans, masyadong wide range niya yung competition. But keep going, keep going. Katikat kasi katulad ko, I've been in the sport for more than a decades and I'll still keep on going. So sana with that kind of perseverance and syempre yung perception is makuha nyo, ma-impart nyo and yeah, again and again support us with most especially me with my upcoming fight. Let's see kung meron pang asim tong ate nyo na to sa arena. Okay?
Paulit-ulit yan. Parang ang gandang gawing headline. Anyways, Marian, we wish you nothing but the best.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
That's it for all of us here on the MMA Superfan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to stay up to date with all the latest content from the MMA Superfan. Again, I'm Nisi Casiano with the Trigon,
Yeah.
Mariano.
Let's
Till next time.
go.